Understanding Soil pH Testing, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting and important topic in gardening and agriculture: soil pH testing. This concept is not only vital for those interested in plants but also a great example of how English can be used in scientific contexts. Let's dive in and make learning both fun and informative. First things first, let's understand what pH is. pH stands for potential of hydrogen. It's a measure of how acidic or alkaline something is. In simpler terms, it tells us how sour or bitter the soil is. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral. Below 7 is acidic, like lemon juice, and above 7 is alkaline, like baking soda. Now, why is soil pH important? Different plants thrive in different pH levels. For example, blueberries love acidic soil, while cabbages prefer it more alkaline. Knowing the pH of your soil helps you choose the right plants or adjust the soil conditions to better suit the plants you want to grow. Testing soil pH is simpler than it sounds. You can use a home test kit, which usually involves mixing soil with a chemical and comparing the color change to a chart. Alternatively, you can send a soil sample to a laboratory for a more detailed analysis. What if your soil's pH isn't ideal for your plants? Don't worry, you can adjust it. To make soil more acidic, you can add sulfur or organic matter like pine needles. To make it more alkaline, lime is commonly used. Remember, changes should be made gradually and tested along the way. And there you have it, a basic guide to soil pH testing. Understanding this will not only help your garden flourish but also enhance your English vocabulary, especially in science-related discussions. I hope this video has been helpful and enlightening. Happy gardening and happy learning!